The Vantage Lean Launch Project methodology will send your project down the path to success and completion on time and within budget. But how do we do it? By packaging our unique tools, consulting, and training into a proven process designed to get your project on track quickly and to keep it there from start to finish. Day 1. We start with the Lean Launch onboarding session. This is an instructor-led workshop designed to focus on the Vantage planning methodology, industry standard best practices, and to get your team speaking a common project language. Your team is now equipped to be active in the upcoming planning sessions. Days 2 and 3. Now that your team is on board, we shift focus to the project initiation. Here we will identify objectives, define the scope, and call out possible risks and constraints. This is captured within a project charter and will become the baseline for the upcoming sessions. Next, we move to top-level planning. Working together, we expand on the initiation baseline and define the overall strategy for the project, identify work package dependencies, and validate your sponsor's timelines. Consider this a reality check to ensure the planning efforts are laser focused on a plan that will hit the mark with your sponsors. On to detailed planning. With a top-level plan that meets the sponsor's deadlines, we work with breakout teams to add additional detail and to provide detailed management plans that guide project execution and update progress. Depending on the scope, this could take a few days to a few weeks. Now that your scope is defined with management plans in place, we're ready for the final step in the Lean Launch methodology, project complexity analysis. Not all projects are created equally. Your project will be evaluated against a comprehensive complexity matrix to determine the appropriate level of PM competency needed for flawless project monitoring and control. You now have a clear picture of your project's scope and objectives, management plans for flawless execution, an understanding of just how complex or simple your project is going to be. And more importantly, you are ready to execute your project with confidence internally or leverage the Vantage PM formal control process. Our processes and tools bring discipline, structure, and efficiency to your project execution. To learn more, check out our PM consulting services. With Vantage Business Group, your team will plan smarter, communicate better, and execute faster.